Everyone wants a stylish kitchen, but a full renovation can be expensive. The good news is that you do not need to spend a lot to get a high-end look. With smart choices and simple changes, you can make your kitchen feel fresh and luxurious. Today, I will share budget-friendly ideas to upgrade your kitchen without overspending. Give your cabinets a fresh look. New cabinets can cost a lot, but you do not have to replace them. A fresh coat of paint in white, gray, or navy can make a big difference. Changing the handles and knobs to gold, black, or silver adds a modern touch. If you want a new style, adding trim to flat cabinet doors can create a designer look. Open shelves are another way to make your kitchen feel stylish. You can remove a few cabinet doors and display dishes, plants, or glass jars for a neat and elegant look. Affordable countertop upgrades. Marble and granite look beautiful, but they are expensive. A great alternative is the butcher block, which adds warmth and style. Laminate countertops have also improved and can look like real stone. If you want a quick and easy fix, try using peel and stick contact paper with a marble or granite pattern. It is an affordable way to get a high-end look without the high price. Stylish backsplash. On a budget, a backsplash can transform your kitchen, but tile installation is costly. Peel and stick tiles are a great option because they are easy to apply and come in many styles. You can choose subway tile, marble, or bold patterns for a designer touch. Another affordable idea is using waterproof vinyl wallpaper with a tile effect. If you like DIY projects, painting your backsplash with stencils can create a custom look without spending much. Upgrade your lighting. Good lighting makes a kitchen feel bright and welcoming. Replacing outdated lights with modern pendant lights or stylish chandeliers can make a big impact. If you have an island, hanging 2 or 3 small pendant lights creates a designer feel. Under-cabinet LED lights add warmth and make your kitchen look sleek. If you want to take it a step further, dimmable lights allow you to change the mood based on the time of day. Decor that makes a difference. Small decor touches can make your kitchen feel expensive. Matching dishware, stylish trays, and decorative cutting boards add a polished look. Clear glass jars for storing pasta, flour, and coffee make open shelves look neat and organized. A simple vase with fresh flowers or a bowl of lemons can bring life and color to the space. Choosing neutral or soft-colored kitchen towels adds a cozy and elegant touch. Modern sink and faucet upgrades. The sink area is one of the most used spaces in the kitchen. Upgrading your faucet can make it look more stylish. Modern options in gold, black, or silver give a luxury feel. Touchless faucets feel high-end and are also more convenient. If replacing the sink is not in your budget, keeping the area clean and adding a matching soap dispenser can make a big difference. Create a built-in look. With shelves, built-in shelves give kitchens a high-end feel, but they can be costly. A budget-friendly option is installing floating shelves in a color that matches your kitchen. Arrange a mix of cookbooks, ceramic dishes, and plants for a neat and elegant look. Keep the color scheme simple to maintain a clean and modern feel. Use rugs and curtains for a cozy feel. Textiles can add warmth to a kitchen. Placing a runner or small rug in front of the sink or stove makes the space feel cozy. Choose a washable rug with a simple pattern or neutral tones for a designer look. Curtains also make a difference. Sheer curtains or linen shades soften the space and add a light and airy feel. Smart storage for a clean look. Luxury kitchens always look clean and organized. Drawer organizers, pull-out baskets, and rotating trays help keep everything in place. Matching storage containers for pantry items make the space look put together. Floating spice racks and utensil holders help keep counters clear. A clutter-free kitchen always looks more stylish and expensive. Add statement pieces. A single stylish piece can upgrade the look of your kitchen. A large mirror reflects light and makes the space feel bigger. A vintage-style clock, framed art, or a sculptural vase can add personality. Upgrading bar stools to a sleek or upholstered style makes the space feel more put together. Even replacing plastic dishware with ceramic or glass can make a difference. Easy appliance upgrades. If your appliances work well but look outdated, there are simple ways to refresh them. Stainless steel contact paper can give old appliances a modern look. Appliance paint is another great way to update the stove or fridge without replacing them. Keeping the fridge doors free from magnets and notes also makes the kitchen feel clean and uncluttered. Choosing small appliances in matching colors, like a toaster and kettle, can also make the space look stylish. Little details that make a big impact. Luxury kitchens are all about small details. Soft close cabinet hinges add a high-end feel. Swapping old switch plates for modern ones in gold, black, or silver helps create a seamless look. Using glass dispensers instead of plastic soap bottles makes the sink area look polished. Upgrading dish racks, serving trays, and cutting boards to wooden or metal styles also adds a designer touch. Final styling touches. Once the big changes are done, the final details bring everything together. Keeping countertops simple with only a few stylish essentials makes the kitchen feel neat and modern. Mixing different materials like wood, metal, and glass creates balance and depth. A neutral color scheme keeps the space timeless and elegant. Adding a subtle scent with candles or essential oils completes the luxurious feel. A luxury kitchen does not have to cost a lot. With these budget-friendly upgrades, you can create a stylish and modern space without spending too much. Let me know which of these ideas you will try first in the comments. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor tips.